Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update on my layout. Due to many changes on my layout to get the underground to sit nice on it, I've had to take a few things up to move things around. Like I say, over this winter period I had the cat sitting on my layout and I smashed and broken most of items, so it gives me a chance to move things around. So firstly, I've started in this area here now because this is the beginning of the layout I've got. Now what I've done with the maintenance shed was sitting in the front of here, up this cliff here, so what I'm going to actually do is move it back now. So this front area is going to be quite a lot of room down here, and this is where I'm going to start sticking the scrapyard. So where the scrapyard was located on the left hand side here, as you see, now be moved into a bigger area. So I can have a proper roadway that comes through and I can still have my cottages next to the railway. So, like I say, looking at it at the moment, it's a bit like a bomb's hit it, but that's what it looks like at the moment. But like you say, I've got so many changes going on, and I'm working on them as we go around. So as you bear with us, if you give us a couple of months or so, it will start coming back and looking quite like a railway layout should look like. But like I say, we started doing the underground underneath there, and all of a sudden it didn't link in with all the track. So now I've got to move all the track to bring that back to life again. So once I started putting that on, like I say, I've got all the stickers and everything ready to go. It's just getting time to get it done. But once it's done, I can start then working on the top piece up here and starting on the new village. So there's loads more to do this year. I'm looking forward to it. Got a little bit more confidence now, so I'm hoping to progress. And like I say, you see this journey from start to finish now. As like I say beforehand, you were showing bits and pieces. So I'm hoping to start from the front and work my way around. So if you bear with me and come on this journey, I'm sure you'll find it fun and get some great ideas for your own layout. In the meantime, I can look at other people to get ideas to bring to my layout. So this is all about this community helping each other. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care, and I'll see you on my next adventure.